What's up everybody? Hawaii, Cali, Vegas here. Once again, I'm Shane and today we have another One Take Wednesday. I have two things that I want to share with you guys, and one is a little project I just picked up, and I got it for a decent price and at an undisclosed amount, but I don't remember what year it is. It's either a 92, 3, 4, or 5 Honda Civic. It's a little beater. It's an EX. It's got power sunroof, all the power options on it, so you know it's all about that luxury stuff. And it didn't run when I got it, and I actually wanted to record some stuff when I started working on it. It didn't start, but I figured out the problem, and come to find out, it's this little guy right here having issues. So I'm gonna be fixing that here shortly. It's an automatic, so you know I can just cram through the gears, drive, reverse, 1, 2, pow, 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 pow. So you know, living that Fast and Furious life. But anyway, enough of that. That's a project that's gonna be just for fun. It's either gonna be a daily driver, or I don't know, if somebody else wants to pick it up, they can pick it up for me. But what I really wanted to share with you guys today is what's in that box and what's in that box. So I contacted the guys over at Battle Aero, and a lot of you guys might know who they are based off of some of the stuff you might have seen on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. And don't mind my messy area over there, but I picked up one of their wings. So like I said, if you're already familiar with what they have or what they make, what they offer, you'll know that it's a pretty intense wing. And there you go, hopefully you can see that. But it's a pretty intense wing. Mounts up to the chassis, and what that means is behind the bumper cover itself, that thing down there, it mounts up there, and you have to cut little slits in the bumper, and then this massive wing is going to come up over the back of your car and make you ready for takeoff. So I want to thank the guys over at Battle Aero for the quick turnaround time on this, and I'm gonna need it for 8-6 Fest, August 6th. I'll see you guys there in the Works Motorsports booth. So make sure you come over there, check us out, check me out. The car will be done by then. But I've actually had this sitting around for a couple days. I've been waiting to unbox it for you guys. It's been killing me because as soon as I got it, I wanted to open it, but oh, nice. It's a nice. It's a much nice. Oh, come on, will you One Take Wednesday? Can't get you off the tripod. There we go. All right, so it's a 2-package shipment box or whatever. Wow, it already comes powder coated. So as soon as you open up the box, this is what you see. It's so shiny. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was gonna be just raw metal. But so this is the part that mounts up to the car in the factory bumper location. And one thing I like about this bumper, or this wing, is that even though it is so big and massive, you can actually still utilize the trunk by way of this little guy right here. So it allows it to pivot back, and I'll show you pictures and or video. Maybe I'll put a link to their video in the description below of how awesome that is. But that's pretty badass. I didn't expect it to be powder coated. I like how everything's taped in their location, so they're not gonna fall all over the place. What is this? What is this? Alright, screw you, tripod. I don't know what this is. Much packed, much wow. Come on, man. Survey says it's on the other side. Oh, it's this guy. Alright. Well, I guess they really wanted it packaged so that way it doesn't damage the powder coated pieces. Man, I'm so impressed that it's already powder coated. I don't know why. For me, that's a big deal because then I don't have to pay for it. Well, I guess technically I already did kind of pay for it, but that's the adjustment rod. Oh my gosh. Screw you, Phoenix Heat. And put that in there. All right, you ready for the wang?
Audio preview.
For the wang part? Everybody wang chung tonight. Everybody wang chung tonight. Alright, so now for the big BBW is gonna go on my car somewhere. I'm not sure where. Because BBW stands for Big Black Wang. Big Black Wang. I went with just the black. I just went with the black wang instead of the carbon wang because I didn't want to wait 2 to 3 weeks for that to get done. They had this one in stock, shipped it out. I think it took about a week or so, but it's here. It's been waiting, and now time to introduce you to my big black wang. Introduce myself to my big black wang. Shut your hole, Wang Chung. This, oh, another thing. I'm just full of other things today. There's a couple different options you can get in this wing setup, and that is, I'm not gonna list them all because I forgot, but I know which one I got, and I got the swan neck. Swan neck? Swan. So it goes up from the bumper, goes out behind the trunk, swoops over like a swan. So instead of the wing bolting onto the top of the mounts, it actually goes in from the top, and the wing hooks up to the bottom of it. So yes, man, there's so much goodness in here. I don't know which one I want to pull out first.
Audio preview.
Never said that before. This must be the winglets. I don't know what they're called. Winglets. Pieces on the wing, the end of the wing. The stuff that the air traffic controller tower can look at to tell you if you're clear for takeoff or not. Yes. These two are powder coated, except for right here. Oh man, fingerprints all over it. I went with the Time Attack. I went with the Time Attack pieces. So this is the design. They have the boomerang. They have a couple, I don't remember what they were, but I went with these. Battle Aero decals. So I can throw it all over this. Here, here, here. Yeah, right. All right, what's next? What is in the box? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I always feel a reason I gotta hump all my parts when I get it out of the packaging. This one's not even out of the packaging yet, I'm already humping it. This one's not quite that light. I mean, it's not that heavy, I mean, because I'm swole. But it's not that light. Dear God, come on, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I'm gonna show you one of these because there's two of them. Swan neck, swan neck, swan neck. All right, so if you're looking at it from the driver's side, okay, look at me. Eyes are here. So if you hold it up, I mean, if it was mounted to the car, you're looking at it from the driver's side. From the driver's side, this is gonna mount up to that piece where I said it could pivot. And then, there's gotta be some more brackets somewhere. Maybe it's on the wing, I don't know. But it's gonna mount up right here on the bottom side of it. Instead of mounting on top, it's gonna mount from the bottom. Two of them. I think this is the last final piece, the biggest part that you're waiting for. Oh yeah, there's a 66 in the for the swan neck one. There's a 66 inch. That's what I tell them. This is 66 inches, and then there's a 74. If you go with any of the other ones, there's a 66, a 70, 74. Since I'm Asian, I went with the 66. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Cabs here! Cabs here! Yeah, right. Here. Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on, man, we're doing a one take. I can't edit that out. Good pause. Some of you guys might not know this because you're not old enough, but for those of you that are, remember when you were a kid and then there's this little straw and it had like a little gooey stuff on it and you just blow bubbles out of it and it was like all rainbowy colored. And do you remember that smell? That's what this smells like. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, forget about it. Forget about it. One thing I will tell you, Battle Aero, is good on you guys. Good packaging. Very impressed. Much wow. My big black wang. Whoa, whoa. It's so big, it's hard to keep it from falling all over the place. So since this is going on, I'm sure you guys might be thinking, what's happening with your rocket bunny wing? That's a good question. I don't know yet. But it'll probably be for sale. I'm definitely not reusing all this bubble wrap when I'm done. Oh shit. Holy mangina. Holy for holies. Holy cow, Batman. It's so big. It's so big. Look at that. It's so intense. There you go.
Audio preview.
So mean. Anyway, this is my big black wang. Hawaii, Cali, Vegas. Hawaii, Cali, Vegas with a Z. Thanks for watching. One Take Wednesday. Hit the like, the subscribe, share, and follow. Comment. Follows and subscribe, same thing. Comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. I can't wait to put it on. It should be on, I don't know, within the next week or two. And a little update. Pictures will be after this one take part. But, sorry this video is going a lot longer than I anticipated. But I mean, I had to share my big black wang with you guys. So, update on the BRZ. Pictures will follow after this take. But intercooler piping's on. Intercooler, the front mount intercooler is mounted, and intake is fabbed up. So next is the exhaust. I'll be stopping by there more than likely tomorrow because those are sold. So I need to go take the wheels off of the BRZ because they're in the front, and I need to get them off so I can ship them out over to Utah. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, Hawaii, Cali, Vegas with a Z, and comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mahalo. Big black wing! Big black wing!